They spun. Beautiful day today. Thanksgiving on the north side. Yeah, we up in Redder. We going sport mode only today too, folks. Not sport plus though. I'm not trying to be drifting all over the city with no traction control. I'm just trying to go for a little light cruise. When this thing's in sport, it's definitely a lot more stiff though. But the acceleration is just... Whew. Yeah, the pickup is crazy on sport. Happy Thanksgiving. Thankful for my F30 for sure. Slow down to about 30, get a 30 roll. I gotta chill. I can't help it though. Woo, they spun. See 12 be up here though. 12 be up here. I'm not even trying to do all that. I'm not trying to get put off. He ain't over there. One of these days, I am gonna teach myself how to drift. I'm gonna put it in Sport Plus and just go out to a parking lot or something and just do burnouts and shit and try to do donuts and stuff. Wow, this is stiff. I can't, it's not even on Sport Plus. I know that's stiff. X5 action. My old stomping grounds. On the north side with it, my old stomping grounds. Racing stripe. I try to hit a donut around this. Just kidding, just kidding. Make sure that 12 that be posted over here, not over there. I can't imagine what these cars be like when they tuned up, you know what I'm saying? When they tuned up, when they got all the new piping, charge pipes, turbos, turbo inlets, all that stuff. I don't have none of that. Like, this car is stock and this thing pulls on sport like crazy. Like, once I get this car built up, y'all, this thing gonna be crazy. It's gonna be loud. Ooh wee. This looks like a little straightaway. Y'all ready? I wanna try launch control. Let's try launch control. I'm gonna throw in the Sport Plus. No traction control. I ain't even do it right. Hold on, we finna try that again. We definitely finna try that again. Hold up. All right. Throw it to the left. Foot on the brake. Just playing around. Y'all heard it spin though. Y'all heard him spin. We're gonna throw it back in regular sport. Y'all heard the spin though. That's my first time doing launch control, y'all. Like that's definitely hard though. I'm gonna burn out soon. I'm about to get the drifting on their ass soon. Don't worry about it.